Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, which topic will you tell today?
I prepared a movie, sir.
Which movie, ma'am?
Now I will explain Bahubali movie in English.
Okay, ma'am. Bahubali, the beginning or the conclusion? Which
The
one?
Bahubali, the beginning, sir.
Oh, nice, ma'am. Tell me. Beginning?
In the beginning, open the scene.
Yeah.
Shivagami Devi runs with a baby. Soldiers chase her.
Yeah.
She kills them and enters into the river.
Yes, ma'am.
In middle of the river, the flow increases.
Yeah.
Then Shivagami Devi hold the baby,
Lifts
lifts the baby with his single hand and praises the Lord Shiva.
Okay.
Oh God Shiva, Mahendra Bahubali is alive.
Yeah.
Please save him.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Dialogue you have to tell, ma'am. How to say that one? Oh, Lord Shiva. Amarendra Bahubali. Mahendra Bahubali.
Mahendra Bahubali.
Okay. Mahendra Bahubali is alive.
Oh Lord Shiva, Mahendra Bahubali is alive.
Alive.
Please save him.
Okay, please hear him.
After some time, villagers see them
Yes, see them. Okay.
and they try to save them,
Yeah.
but villagers can't do.
Yes, ma'am. Only
But they save baby
baby.
and they name him as Shiva.
Shiva. Yes, sir.
And the boy rages with them.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a big mountain.
Yeah.
The boy wants to climb up the mountain.
Yes, ma'am.
He tries to climb the mountain,
Yeah.
but he fails daily.
Yes, ma'am. He becomes.
He becomes a anger man.
Yeah.
Again, he tries to climb up the mountain.
Okay, ma'am.
One day, his mother worries about him to climbing the mountain.
Yes, ma'am.
Then she prayed the Lord Shiva.
Okay.
In
she
that,
prays it. B5.
she prays the Lord Shiva.
Yeah.
In that time, Shiva lifts the Shivalingam
Yes, sir.
on his shoulder. Keep the Shivalingam on his shoulders
He keeps on his shoulders.
and jumped into the waterfalls.
Jumps only.
Jumps into the waterfall.
Yeah.
He keeps the Shivalingam under the waterfalls.
Waterfalls, sir.
And he asks his mother, his mother, Ma, is it?
Are you happy?
Are you happy now?
Yes,
Then his mother replied, Yes, I am happy.
I am happy.
Then Shiva dancing under the waterfall. Dances under the waterfall.
Yes, ma'am.
After this,
He
Shiva got the Shiva gets the mask.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, nice, ma'am. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
And remaining part will you tell tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice, ma'am.
I will tell today Bahubali since
Yes, ma'am. There are two movies are there. Bahubali, the beginning and the conclusion.
yes sir I am telling you the beginning
The beginning scene. Huh?
beginning scene sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Tell me.
Yes sir. First Shivagami Devi runs with her grandchild.
Yes, ma'am.
That time soldiers soldiers chase her, but she kills them.
Okay, ma'am.
And she runs and she enters water.
Okay.
In river.
Yes, ma'am. Into the water.
And that time water level is increased.
Yes, ma'am.
And she worries about grandson.
Yeah, okay.
Next
She
lifts boy with her one hand.
Okay.
And he prays the Lord Shiva. Hey Lord Shiva, please save him.
Okay.
Please save him and
dialogue you tell again. Relax first. Go back side.
Okay.
Oh Lord Shiva.
Oh Lord Shiva.
Once again tell.
Oh Lord Shiva, Amarendra Bahubali is alive.
Yeah, okay. Nice, ma'am.
And she died.
Yeah, right.
But no, tribals people see them, but they want to save them,
Yes.
but they can't. And Shivgami Devi is
Shivgami
died, but they save
the
baby,
little boy.
they save little boy, and they name Shiva.
Okay.
After some day, and he rise with them. He rises with them
Okay.
into the forest.
Okay, ma'am.
And
There
is a big mountain. This boy like to climb this mountain.
Okay, ma'am.
And after when every day he goes there, climb to mountain.
Okay.
And but he can't. He fails.
He fails daily.
After some days he become younger man. Again he went there, and he goes there and he climbs the mountain. Again he fails, but
Okay.
that's why his mother worries about him, and that's why she prays Lord Shiva.
Okay, ma'am.
And she always scold him.
Okay.
Why doing like this?
Okay, ma'am.
He didn't listen her.
He doesn't.
He doesn't listen her.
Yes, sir.
And one day
One day he
lifts Shivlinga on his shoulder.
Yes,
shoulders, and he runs and jumps into water, and he keeps under the waterfall. Yes, and he dances there. And he asks his mother.
Yes, sir.
Are you Mommy, are you happy now?
Yes, ma'am.
She replies, yes, I am very happy.
Yes, ma'am.
And next that time he gets a mask.
Yes.
And he thinks who's this mask and who is there
yes,
in mask
yes,
on the mountain.
Yes, on the crest of the mountain also.
And crest of the mountain.
Okay, ma'am.
And again he want to try there, and he wants to go there. Yeah. So he reaches there. Finally he reaches there. Yeah. And he sees there one beautiful girl.
Yes, sir. And they fight each other.
And they fight each other.
And they fall in love.
With each other.
Yes, ma'am. Nice, ma'am. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Nice, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, which scene will you tell in the Bahubali?
Bahubali beginning scene I tell, sir.
Okay,
today.
Tell me, ma'am. As you wish. You can speak English. I want that one only.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your opportunity.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivagami runs with her baby.
Yeah.
And soldiers chases her.
Yeah.
Shivagami Devi kills the soldiers.
Yes, ma'am.
And she goes to the water.
Okay.
Water increases.
Yeah.
That time she lifts the baby with single hand.
Okay.
Oh Lord Shiva, you save this baby. You saves this baby.
Yeah. Save the Lord.
Saves this baby. He saw the tribals. They saw the tribals. They saves the baby.
Yes,
and Shivagami Devi is died.
Yes.
Shivagami Devi is died, and she floats away.
Oh, nice, ma'am. Nice. Okay. You spoke this one.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, which scene will you tell today?
Today I will tell Bahubali beginning scene, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
I will tell, sir.
Okay, tell me, ma'am.
Shivagami runs with her grandson.
Yeah.
Soldiers chase her.
Yeah.
She kills them.
Yes, ma'am.
She enters into water.
Yeah.
that time water increases level.
Yeah.
Increases level. She tries to save her grandson, but she can't do that.
Yes, ma'am.
In that time, she prays to God.
Yeah.
Oh Shiva, you save.
Please save.
Please save. Please save this child.
Yeah.
Mahendra Bahubali is alive.
Yeah.
In that time, tribals see them.
Yeah.
They try to save them,
Yeah.
but they can't.
Yeah.
Shivagami floats away. Tribals save the boy,
Baby boy.
baby boy. They named as Shiva.
The name.
They name as Shiva.
Yeah.
They name as Shiva. He grown up. He grows there with them.
Yeah.
With them.
There
is a mountain.
Yeah.
He tries daily climb the mountain.
Climb up the mountain.
But he can't do that.
Yeah, he sleeps every day.
He sleeps every day.
Yeah.
His mother
Scolds him.
His mother scolds him.
And
she worried about him.
Worries.
She worries about him.
Yes.
Why do you do like this?
Yes, why do you like this?
Why do you do like this?
She prays to
Shiva.
Yes. And he becomes a
He becomes a younger man.